Hey fellas, I'm back with another video. This time we're gonna change the oil on my 2008 Porsche Boxster. Usually the oil you gotta change in 1 year or 10,000 miles, but I always do at 6 months intervals. And let me show you what I need. You gotta make sure you have this bolt, and you have to buy it from the dealer with the washer. Make sure you always buy it. I think it's about 13 or 14 bucks. You need to open up the canister for the fuel, and the oil that I'm using is 040. Also forgot to mention the socket to open up the hex nut the bolt is size 8. I think they're called T8, something like that. So that's how it look like. The filter that I got from AutoZone was the incorrect one. I went and got this from Napa, about 20 bucks. Let's go ahead and do the oil change. Alright, what we want to do is open up the oil cap. So now you see that you can open up that bolt and let all the oil drain. Make sure your oil pan is right under it. See, my oil is pretty clean. Alright, now I want to open up the filter. Put a bolt back, clean this area. I'm going to tie it up a little bit later after I put the filter on. And once you install this ring, make sure to lubricate with the oil. Make sure not too over tight. I'll give you the proper torque for it. So this way there's no ifs and buts. Now we want to go ahead and tighten up our bolt. Final thing, make sure we clean up everything. Takes about from 8.5 to 9 quart. And I'm going to start the car, see the level, and put the car on the level and add more oil if I need to. Let's check the oil level right now. It's trying to check. If you see the oil level is full. With that being said, I'm going to end this video. Thank you everybody for watching. Take care and bye-bye.